Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video of Tricknology. In this series of video, we'll let you know some knowledge about cloud computing. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe this channel, Tricknology. So in my previous video, I've left with the service models of cloud computing. If you haven't watched it yet, then link is in the description box. Go and watch it right now. In this video, we'll be discussing about the deployment models. So what is deployment models? This model defines us how to access those clouds. It means providers helps us to choose the perfect path according to the need of our organization. Clouds can have three types of access. Those are public, private and community or hybrid cloud. Now let's have a look on each of them. Public cloud provides services to the general public. The maintenance cost of public cloud is pretty low as the cloud infrastructure is being used by several users with the very limited configurations. It can be very less secure as the same is shared by multiple users. Private cloud is way more secure than public cloud as it is used to build exclusively for a single enterprise for data security. There are basically two variants of private clouds we see. One is on-premise private cloud and another one is externally hosted private clouds.
Now, an on-premise private cloud is something that hosted within the organization's own data center. It has a limited size of storage and the security is pretty good. This cloud is must need for organizations which are more concerned about their data security, like a bank or any financial organizations with 100% of data security. This basically happens when the organization don't want to use any of their physical resources.
And now the last one is community or hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private clouds. In this hybrid model, service providers makes a contract with third-party cloud providers to increase the pliability of computing. This model is also able to take a massive workload of an organization.
So here is the deployment model of cloud computing. I hope you guys have liked this video and let me know your views in the comment section and stay tuned with Tricknology for the next part.